So, you want to capture a game highlight, make a quick tutorial, show a bug to tech support, or share a short demo? Windows 11 has a built-in tool for that, and I'll show you how to use it. I'm talking about the Snipping Tool, and there are two ways to access it. First, open the Start menu, type Snipping Tool, and launch the app. Normally, Snipping Tool was just for screenshots, but now there's also a record option. Just click the video camera icon, then press New. If you want a quicker way, just press the print screen key on your keyboard and select the video icon. Now, drag to select the area you want to record. This could be your whole screen or just one section. Before hitting Start, you can adjust audio. Use the microphone icon to select or mute the microphone and the speaker icon to include or exclude system sounds. After pressing Start, you'll see a 3-second countdown and then recording begins. You can pause and resume anytime, and when you're done, hit Stop. This opens the preview where you can save the video as an MP4, copy it, make a GIF, or share it right away. Speaking of sharing, do not forget to like and share the video if you found the information helpful. And that's it.